Hello guys. Okay, I keep on pressing things that started the video. Hello guys, it's been you probably saying black. Alright, hello guys, it's been Played here and we're back for another video. Now I'm making the Donna a right winger and Carvalho a left winger. And why not? I wonder why our bench has gotten smaller though. I don't know what. But I trust in Carvalho. And so we're gonna no. Would he be a better defender? No. Alright, so we're gonna be playing a game. Okay, what is that formation? Like now I have to ask you guys a question. How are you guys doing today?
Welcome on what is a
good,
glorious night
not
for
good.
football. Perfect playing
You guys aren't
conditions.
doing good.
My name is Derek Ray, and sitting alongside me.
Yeah, we already have a solo run. We have to win it.
This looks threatening.
Alright, Carvalho.
Now
It's on the left
to
wing.
stay calm.
Yeah, Carvalho. Good finish.
And what a start they've made.
I'm glad I made him a left winger, eh? Alright. Should I go for the shot? I'm gonna go for the shot. And there's no curve on that.
Well, no surprise to see him go for goal.
Another one? And even a little farther? They're calling my name. We need the one with the most power. Chapman, okay. You ready, guys? Send it! That was actually a good try.
From the keeper.
Oh, come on, of course. Last minute, they're gonna throw a run.
Oh, big chance. Nice.
Yeah!
There's the final whistle.
We
The home fans
win.
are jubilant. They are going through. This looks threatening.
Look at
Now
this
he's
goal
got to
from
stay
Carvalho.
calm.
See
There
that?
it is. The opening goal.
To the very last minute. Good assist by the Donna though. Good vision, but I really did all the vision, but we don't talk about that. You guys, if you're just too lazy to go all the way to offense on a computer, you can just press D and there you go. You're done with training. The FA Cup. Okay, I was thinking, like, should I get a penalty on this? No, I shall not. Not the Carabao Cup. Carabao Cup, I love going to penalties. As Rectum, I beat Arsenal, Liverpool. I think I lost against Manchester City, but I also beat Manchester
really should have
United.
pulses racing. Every reason to believe this will be enthralling. I'm Derek Ray in the commentary position, and alongside me.
Oh, I already have an attack. Is that a shrimp? Yeah, whoa. Bam! Oh, come
To beat
okay.
your opponent. Can they take the lead? And there it is. 1-0.
How'd you giving them that goal? How'd you giving them that goal? How'd you giving them that goal? Alright, come on.
Surely.
Yeah!
Level again. What a match this is turning out to be.
Let's go. Oh my goodness. We are so lucky. Our striker had it again. Let's see if we can finish.
And he's in.
Alright.
The net is staring him in the face.
No!
Has denied him.
Well, I've got to say,
I should have been closer. That shrimp is making me angry. Even though never mind. I wanted to say that it was very aggressive. And that means they're probably aggressive. And that's scaring me.
Very alert defending to cut off the...
Alright, we have to score on this attack. Alright, push it up. Okay, what is that? What is that?
And the referee
That
brings this
defender
contest
is
to an
so
end
fast.
and officially even.
Why did with that defender, like my, okay, I'm not trying to make excuses, but my mouth, I'm having it plugged in right now. All right, now we have to win. No doubt about it. If we don't win this game, we're knocked out of the FA
Well, nights
Cup.
like these are just
Now the
what you
FA
hope
Cup.
for as a spectator. A warm welcome.
I'm
My name is Derek Ray,
I'm
and
gonna
my
try and
commentary
score.
partner on
Hopefully,
this
we don't have to
occasion
bring
is
it to a penalty shootout.
They take it short.
All right, Chavez, no,
Well, nowhere close to
it was
the goal.
perfect with the line in the start. Chavez missed. I guess he's just tired. Hey, it's all right. Everybody missed it though. Bam! Yeah, clear that out.
Messing
Clear that
around with
out.
that clearance.
Nice try by Chavez. Oh shoot!
Excellent refereeing. Advantage in operation.
All right, we have the ball. It is the Lions in the star. Alright. He tried to get past. He can't. He tried to dribble through. And then Donna back to him.
Real chance.
He bottled it. A perfect opportunity. And he bottled it. Our players are just so tired.
Wonderfully weighted pass.
Alright, here you go. Here you go. Send it
And a
in.
useful cross.
Our players are just too tired. They're too tired. That shrimp, man. Like Angelotti when he does the eyebrow raise.
Determined defending.
We have to defend. Madonna, get ready. He's gonna cross it in. Probably gonna be our last attack.
Delivering it into the
He
box.
goes and he misses. Oh no. Oh, they get an opportunity in the last minute. Keep it out in all
And there's the
costs.
feed into the box.
Alright, it's not a goal. Extra time. Aligned in the stars. Look for it outside of
In with
a box. Great save by the goalkeeper. Alright, we have so many attacks. We have to score. But if by ourselves, it's going to be hard. We're too tired. I can see our players. We have to go back.
And he's keen on
Oh
cutting in.
no.
But
Our
nothing
players are
comes of
just
it.
too
Good
tired.
defending it was.
It goes to penalties. Can we win? Alright, I think we're going to bring a lineup. I like it.
And now it is all about the penalty
Now I know how to
shootout.
dive on PT. Yeah!
Penalty, and it's been saved by the keeper. And he
Yeah,
finds the net.
nice.
He could hardly miss. Can he convert?
Oh my
Gambles
goodness!
on direction and one.
Trust me. Trust me, guys.
He had to score,
Yeah.
and he does. His turn to try to convert from the spot.
Yeah!
Hadn't been his plan of attack. Well, this could be the one.
He goes in. He can win it.
It
He
went
missed
awry
it.
for him from the penalty spot. So much on the line with regard to this penalty.
No.
Critical as always in front of goal. Well, it comes down to this. In and they win.
Trust me, guys. Trust me. Yeah!
To get his team through.
We
Well,
are
that's a great penalty, isn't it?
through.
He never looked like missing, did he? And you have to say he was under
We
so
are
much pressure
through.
there.
To the next round in the FA Cup. Beautiful by our goalkeeper. Not letting a single goal in. One penalty shot in. Look at this. Perfect. Sent the keeper the wrong way. Great finish. The fans, they're celebrating. Our players are celebrating. We win 3-1 on penalty. Yeah. I am a master when it goes to penalty. The only team I couldn't beat was Wrexham with Manchester City. This is a must-win game right here. Must-win game right here, guys. We have to win it. Like how Man City are going to win the Premier League and Champions League.
It's great to be with you, and I don't think anybody is going to complain,
I hope.
especially about the weather. I'm Derek Ray, and keeping me company here on the commentary gantry is Stuart.
Don't talk how we lost that fake Community Shield. But hey, that was the very beginning of the season, you know. Hey, but Liverpool are doing trash now.
Not what he was intending. Bad pass.
Alright. Come on. Is that a horse with a ball? On water? That's an amazing badge. You know what? I'm coming out. Okay.
Very quick thinking.
Alright, come on. Shoot, they're gonna score. Oh, we intercepted it. We have a goal run. Nobody in front of us. Only behind. Our striker.
He's in behind.
Can he finish it?
A mischievous
Yes,
effort.
he can.
Superb chip. Spellbinding.
Yes, he can. What a beautiful chip, by the way. Alright, come on. Send it in. Oh, he goes in for the header!
The ideal header. And the goalkeeper.
Yeah, no, it's offside anyway. That is a beautiful badge, by the way. Oh, shoot. I accidentally took him out. Well, I almost took him out. Yeah. Free kick for them. He goes in for the shot. Head it away. Go to our player. Alright. We have an attack. Chadwick look for opportunity. Pass it to the Donut. The Donut brings it up. Get ready. Crosses it in. I can't get to it. Oh, we still have it. No!
But it looks so threatening, but the danger.
Oh no. We cannot let them score the guy. Our goalkeeper has to win it. Well, if it's a one-on-one. Oh, danger challenge. Wait, no card?
And there goes
we
the
win,
whistle, and the
but
fans
thank
are going to
goodness
be
the
happy
referee
about
didn't give
this
us the
outcome.
card. Let me see that. Let us see that goal. Wait, hold on. Get clear, P. Let's see this. That's perfect right there. I did 2 screenshots just in case. I have to make a thumbnail, guys. Those are gonna be the ones with thumbnails. If is that good enough? Whoa. I will zoom in it though. Now we are up into the promotion. Can we get promoted? This is a must-win game, guys. Sorry, league, guys. We have to get actually. Oh wow, Cavalli grew really. Should we be promoted? You know, I want to stay down in the league. Well, I just got texted. I want to stay down in the league. The league is very good to help us grow. I might lose it on purpose because it's just hard. You know, like what am I supposed to do? Like our team is not fully trained. Like not at all. No, I think we can't do that. Well, maybe next meet. Oh, hold on. Wait. Hold on. I keep on being texted. Alright. Let's see. Oh, I didn't mean to do that. What do I do? No, we don't want you. No. If you're 18, you're gonna have to fit in the squad immediately. That guy's not fitting. Now, personally, the next game, well, not personally, but I know that the next game, if we win this, won't they be in relegation? They are in relegation. No, I have an idea. Let's make the team have the worst season imaginable, and they get relegated to League 2. Because our team is the best team in the world. I'm just kidding. But we're going to be the best team in the world.
And good evening on
For
what is a perfect
green
night for football.
redemption.
The floodlights shining down on the players as we speak. I'm Derek Ray, positioned here.
Oh, perfect. You know, honestly, I feel a little cheeky. I'm feeling a little cheeky. You know what?
Can he make it 1-0?
No.
My goodness.
I did it on the right timing.
And new developments in the Peterborough match. With the information, here's Alex.
Not at
A
all.
goal for Peterborough United. It's now 1-0 with 90
Oh,
minutes
Chad.
played.
Alex, thank you very much.
That was terrible.
Foul there. Free kick awarded. And he
He's
gets
going for
away
it.
with a warning here.
In my view, that's good
I
refereeing.
know.
Strong, but not.
When they're going for it and when they're not. What did I just do? I didn't press
Taking it
anything.
away.
I didn't. This is the lines in the stars.
Now delivering.
Oh,
that
head it
deep
in!
cross.
They're not it. I forgot. You're very short. Alright. Okay. Okay. Oh, wait, we still have it. We still have it.
Will he play it in?
Holy cow. There's so many
Timely
guys.
intervention.
How is that not a penalty? I just got pushed over. Alright, I guess. Did they sub out Carvalho? Or Garrick? I guess that's fine.
Well, he has the measure of his man. Good looking cross.
Yeah!
Scoring in
He
the
got
derby.
tackled.
And I'll tell you what, you can hear a pin drop in
He's
here.
gonna be special. Believe me. Yeah. Alright, come on. Get the line to rest in the stars.
Illegal play,
Offside.
and hence a free kick.
Alright, come on.
Well, we're inside the final quarter of an hour now.
we
Untidy
have
in
it.
possession. And
We
so
have
the
it.
referee blows for full time, and it goes down as a
They're gonna
victory
get
for the
relegated.
visitors.
Yes, Derek.
They're gonna get relegated. Shocked. Okay, if our striker is not winning the Golden Boot, I'm gonna be shocked. Literally shocked. Dude, that's an amazing finish. What? No, that's for the FA Cup. Oh my goodness. Not even close. 5 goals away. You know what? Against Bristol City, let's see if we can make that, maybe 2 goals. We're going to try and get him a hat trick. Now, guys, I'd recommend skipping a good part of it because, I'm playing the full game, which is going to be 6 minutes, or I'm just going to simulate when hey, Mbappe. Garrick, sorry, not Garrick. Whatever my striker's name is, Buko.
Our cameras on one man. 3 goals in his last
What?
3 matches.
Hey,
And you can't
Chavez.
argue
Yeah,
with
you
that
should
sort
have
of
your.
form. We'll have the action on EA TV.
Our captain, Louis Chavez. You might not. I'm sorry, guys. If you heard my chair fell on me.
Hello, it's great to be with you. And no problems at all on the
now,
weather front as we get ready for this match.
That was
My
a
name is Derek
terrible
Ray, and
pass.
sitting alongside me in the commentary
Ter-
position is the
Oh
former
my goodness,
Arsenal
we're
and
being
West Ham
shredded
midfield
there.
player Stuart Robson. And we have live action from the oldest of all cup
Oh, wait,
competitions,
no,
the
they
FA
aren't,
Cup.
wait.
It's
Wait, no,
Forest
they're in
Green
the
Rovers,
championship,
and they
right?
take on
I don't
Bristol
know. I
City.
think the guys are
Well,
in
there's
the
nothing like a
championship.
good
They're
cup
going to be
run to
kind of
boost
hard.
confidence. And these
Oh, wait,
two
didn't
teams
the
will be
FA
hoping
Cup?
this could be their year to win this tournament.
Oh, so I'm
Yes,
going to
there's a
go
long
like
way to go, but
a
this is
goal,
still a
maybe?
big game for both teams.
Or like 2 goals. And then simulate it. I didn't know they got
Brown.
the FA Cup. Yeah, we
Can he
can
find the
score
right
a ton of
pass?
goals with it. Make him the top goal scorer.
And he might be
Alright,
through
come
here.
on!
Just when we thought the goal would arrive, the grim
Come
reality
on.
hitting off target.
Well, he never looked in full control, did he? That's a poor finish.
When I think he's the best striker in the league, and then like 5
Always difficult
goals.
to predict in advance
Hey.
who might decide a game, but you could make a strong
Like,
case
he's the
for
best
this man, I think,
finisher.
Stuart.
Let's just
What
say
are
it.
you expecting to see from him?
Well, his recent form speaks for itself.
I
3
mean, he
goals in
hasn't
the last
scored
3
that much
games,
goals,
and
but
he's playing with
how
great
about
confidence at the
the
moment.
best-
Every chance he could add to that tally today.
Striker worth the number 21.
Throw-ins given.
Oh shoot.
And he's made
No,
it.
that's offside.
And still danger here.
Yeah.
But offside is the decision here. The
Hey,
flag
keep
is up.
blocked by the goalkeeper though.
And unable to pick out a teammate. And that'll be a throw.
Alright, go over there. You're going the wrong way. I want you to go over there. Alright. Alright, go. What would that
And a
pass for a
successful
pass?
intervention.
You're
winning
a
the ball
winger. You're
back.
supposed.
And that is going to be a free kick.
My eye don't hurt so bad.
And the
Aye,
referee
aye,
deciding to admonish him, but not book him.
I think that's good refereeing. It's a foul, but no more than that.
Top-class defending.
Alright, come on. Cooper, I don't know what position you are, but. Oh my gosh. You're a center back.
Keeping the opposition at bay with that splendid challenge.
Alright, come on.
They're trying to get
Oh
right
my
into his
goodness.
face.
Get away from him.
Chance to do damage.
Alright, come on. Get back, get back. Alright. Carvalho!
Goalkeeper doing his job, getting the touch. A chance
No,
to
we're going
nudge
to
in
swing it
front.
into the
Corner
back.
kick here.
Where the center back will have more.
Comes to nothing in the end.
Oh, okay, that's a bad challenge. When are you getting the ball?
Tackle completely mistimed, and you would expect a booking under the circumstances.
Honestly, I'm just going to simulate the rest of the game. My eye. I'm probably going to end the video, but I'm not. You know, actually, I'm not. Okay, I don't like how I team Manchester United 4-1. I don't like that. Alright, well, they're going to try and get the revenge. Come on. Don't let them get the revenge. They got the revenge. I really need a B team. We're dropping points. We're far away. How many points? We're on 4th place with 6. Oh, we're 8 points away. Somebody can go out zone. I can loan somebody. I have an idea. Guys, trust me. Last time I wrecked them, I got Barford in League 2. Can I get you? I can! Hey guys, we have a really good player. Oh my goodness. You're so good. You know, I'm going to recall you. Because I'm spending all my money on these players. But I need to loan. I think I'm going to take... No. We need a goalkeeper. So maybe look in the league, maybe the Bundesliga. Maybe they can have a goalkeeper that can loan to us. But we know it's pretty good. Castillo now won't loan him to us. What the? You're terrifying, man. You guys know, kind of good. Moyer isn't that good. I don't know who's good that we can try down. Come on! Mark Travis are pretty good. Okay, hey Whoopi. Oh no! You seem pretty good tonight, though, yeah? Know what I'm gonna do? What I'm gonna do? This guy 6'6" has to be good. Okay. This player I wanna get so bad. I wanna get ya. Wait, do we have any players unknown that we can bring back? Why am I going to here, Jack? You're going. You're also going. Alright, you will probably not come back. We could take the midfielder right now. Like, our midfielders are not that good. I'm gonna look at my midfield. We could get young players into our midfield. But, you know, we'll keep them unknown. Let's check this. What happened over here? This guy can start. I'm recalling you from now. Who do I trust? Who do I trust? You know what, guys? I'm leaving the decision to you. Comment down below if it will let you comment. For some reason, it hasn't been letting you comment, but, you know, I'll do a poll. What should I do, Steven or Bakayoko? I think I'm going to do Bakayoko, but your guys' choice. Well, see you later. Bye!